Hello, I'm going to show you my Nerf Gun Collection today. First gun is the Night Finder. The second gun is the Long Strike CS6. Very long gun. The longest gun ever. Yeah, okay. I'm going to do test fire on the two guns. The first gun that I'm going to shoot with is the Night Finder. To shoot, you pull this trigger back, and you pull this thing back. Yeah, and then you push the trigger to shoot. And one more special thing is that this thing has light. You need batteries to make it have the light. Yeah. Be shooting at that wall. Hope you see the light well. Wait, let me close the light. Okay. This gun can shoot very, very far. So, yeah. On to my second gun, which is the Long Strike. I will be putting the camera over here just to let you see how the bullet goes. Wait a while. Yeah, you can see. Long strike. Again. I'll be shooting at that wall, the same target. So to shoot, you have to insert the clip into this thing over here. And then you must pull this bolt to the front. And same thing, you pull the trigger to shoot. Here's how it goes. Oh yeah, one more thing. Like this, it's longer, but it's not that good. But then if you put the barrel in, it has more style. But if you take the barrel out, it should shoot faster and better. But now I'm gonna go on with this, the barrel. Shoot. There are 6 bullets and I shot them all. No wait. Yeah, 6 bullets. Yep. So thanks for watching this video of my Nerf gun review and test fire. So yeah. Goodbye.